Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to do render in Lumion. So let's start. So what exactly render in Lumion, how to apply material, how to create a realistic material in Lumion, and how to set the setting, how to set the sun, and how to do the animation. Everything we are going to learn in this video. So don't skip, just keep watching. So here we are having one SketchUp model already we have imported, you can see. So very first step is we have to set scene. So where you will get the option, here you have to go for photo. Now just adjust the view. Now I'm okay with this view, so I'll set this as a final scene. So go for photo and set that scene for your photo. So this is the view. You can adjust the focal length. So you can keep it is in between 20 to 22 in that range. Suppose I want it is now I have set for this focal length. So let's go for again build mode. Now very first step is as I told. Now we have to apply material in Lumion. So here you have to go for material option. So make sure that while importing the SketchUp model, you need to apply everywhere wherever you want to distinguish, or if you want to specify particular material. Now here it is stone, here it is cladding, here it is plaster, here rough plaster, here it is paint, everywhere glass. According to that, you have to create different material in SketchUp only. If you will apply same material for full model, see, it will not capture in the Lumion. So don't do that mistake. So let's start how to apply material. So go for material option. First I need to change this cladding. Just go for that. Then already I have applied from Lumion. Again I'll show you. If you have applied, then also you want to change, just click over there and go for this material library and go for the particular material start. So now I want to apply this brick or cladding stone structure or texture. So go for that. So I will go for this brick material. So this is little bigger one size, it is more. So scale I need to change. So you can go for this option and then you can decrease the scale. So I have reduced this scale. Now again, how to create it as a realistic. Now we have to change these options. So I don't want glossiness, as I am using it is a exterior purpose. So glossiness I have reduced. Again reflectivity little I will reduce. And relief you have to give 100%. See, you can observe if it is 0 and if it is 100%. If you are giving 100%, it will become more realistic. Again you can also see, now it is 0, now it is 100%. So color, you can change colorization from this option, first option, if you want make it lighter or darker. So as previous it was white color, so I can keep it is white, little grayish and white, combination of both. And next here you have to give save changes. After doing all the changes, just give the option of save changes. Now here I want dark gray color. Just select that, go for material library. I'll place this concrete material. Then I'll choose suppose this dark color concrete I'll place. Now as you can see here how it is looking. So you can reselect that, and here you have to decrease the map scale. You can see the scale here. And next colorization. If you are doing 100%, it will convert to white, and if you are reducing it to 0, it will come to original color. So next reflectivity, if you will reduce the color, it will come more dark. So we want as it is darker, so I have reduced both reflectivity as well as glossiness. Then relief, you have to give 100% and then give it OK. Next, now here I am going to change this plaster material, go for the concrete or here plaster option. So you will get here different types of plaster. Suppose I have applied this color or white I want. So you can change this color into different. Suppose here colorization option, you have to go for that and just you can change the color. Now once if I have changed, it won't visible here. Why? Because this colorization you need to change from here. So how to change color? You can go for this option and then you can change the colorization for here. So I don't want it is yellow, but for your understanding, I have shown you how to change color in Lumion. Just go for that and then give again save changes. So here I have not changed anything because I want as usual. So here I want to replace this material by stone structure. So go for the outdoor option and then go for brick, and in that you will get varieties of brick and stone material. So you can choose any one of them. So I want this, but I'm not okay with this because I want small scale. So as you can see, so this much is fine for me. And then again relief and reflectivity I'll reduce. And then glossiness also I will reduce. As you can see now it is perfect for me. So go for save changes. So one by one we are going to change everything. So here you'll get the glass option. You can change to see I have like clear glass. So again if you want to do the further changes you have to reselect them, and here you will get the option of reflectivity. As I am going to increase the reflection, see you can see front whatever front of your building everything it will get reflect like this. Now this is the internal reflection. Both you can change accordingly how you want as per you. Next, so now I don't want that much reflection, so I'll give little reflection. Next, now here I am going to change this name of the house. So here Krishna Villa, this name I have want to create it is like LED. You can convert it. So you can first you have to give the material for that particular name. So I'll give it as a any by default you can give either plastic or anything you can give. Suppose I have applied this, but you can also as I have applied this same material everywhere. So maybe it will take problem, but for now you can see how to create it. So go for setting and here you have to give images. So you can also here also it got reflecting and here also. So I can't do the changes here. But you just focus on how to create emissive material. Just give any random material and go for setting and give emissive. But now I don't want this, so you can give here it is cancel changes since whatever you have done. So see, it will get cancelled. Next here also glass material, go for that and you can apply the material. And then okay. So once if you will apply glass or any material, by default automatically the settings it will come with the that material. So here we have given the concrete or stone material. Suppose if I want this one, you can see here. I will do this. Here scale we don't want. I want plain stone color, glossiness, displacement no need to give. Relief I will give 100%. Then give it save changes. So everywhere we have applied except this. So go for the plaster and I'll apply the white. But you can observe this is looking like a rough. So go for this and change the map scale and colorization. If you want more white, you can give the colorization and then okay. So again here I want to apply the metallic structure. So go for this as it is the rods. So go for material metal option and then you can apply this one. But now you can observe how the color it is changing. So you can go for the color and you can drag the this circle to the black color. So as you can observe, see a map scale you have to reduce reflection also no need to give. I want it is a matte. So you can also now and give it OK. So everywhere we have applied except the frame of the window. Just go to that and then change the frame of window. Just select the frame of window, go for material, metal, and then apply the material. So same thing you have to do here also. Then change the color to black and then colorization 100%, map scale 0, and then reflection little you have to give. If it is glossy or something reflective, you can give as per that. So you can also then give it OK. So I have done with everything. Just you can see this material. So I have changed. Just I'll change this material outdoor and then wooden material. We'll try to cover more material in this video, but once if you learn this basic, you can easily apply the material and you can do the further changes. Just save changes. So almost we have done with everywhere. Just go for the scene and open the particular scene. So as I told, first we will learn the material setting, how to create a realistic material in Lumion. So how to apply I have shown, how to create realistic I have shown. Next is how to set the setting, means realistic setting. Now it is in custom. So just I want to move this building little downward. So here you will get the eye level. So you have to select move down or move up. So I will select the move up this option. Then select the cursor and then store that. Next thing, now here we have to change custom style to realistic as we are going to see the realistic render in Lumion. Once if you have given this option, automatically effects will get changed. So first effect is real skies, then sharpen, exposure, color correction, reflection, hyperlight, skylight and shadow. So if you are beginner, if you are learning Lumion very first time, so no need to do the further changes. If you want to learn, I have uploaded already one video on exterior render in Lumion. You can go and check. So for now, just you focus on the realistic effect and then go for effects and then this 2 point perspective. This only two step you have to learn properly. Already we have created the material as a realistic and very much good quality. So no need to worry about the render setting. Just you change both the setting, realistic and 2 point perspective. Just we will try the render and we will see the final look of your building. So here it is depend on the quality. It is low, medium, high and very high. So I'll give high quality. It's depend on which graphics card, how much you are using. According to that, you can see it. So here I'll save it as an exterior realistic. So you can check it. So it takes few time. So you can check. Here it is time remaining and here it is time elapsed. So how many samples? 64 samples. How is setting? Which setting you are giving, according to that it takes the time. Either you can choose it as a print, desktop, as per you. So now here it will ask OK. Once if you will give OK, automatically it will get saved. So if you don't want to save, you can give it is escape. Again, if you want to go back, escape. So I want to save it, I'll give OK. Then I'll minimize this and then we'll see the final look of our exterior render. So here exterior realistic it is. So as you can see. If you are beginner also, your realistic will come very much good quality. Realistic render will come of very much good quality and you can as observe, see how beautiful it is looking. I hope you have liked this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for the watching.